All right, guys, 2025 Kia Sorento. Check it out. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's got factory converter up there on the manifold, resonator there, muffler there, or mid resonator, another one. It comes usually with one muffler on this side only, but he wanted duals on it, but he wanted it quiet, not too crazy loud. So we said, we got you. He bought a custom system on it from a friend that made it for him out of Ohio, I think he said. Custom stainless steel kit, but it was way too loud for him. So we took it off, we cut them off. There were stainless steel resonators on it, stainless steel bros. And we replaced it with two Borla ProXS mufflers, one there, and put on his tips, as you guys can see right there. So it came out clean, nice, gives it a good look. That's how they should have came from the factory. Just a good looking exhaust system. There it is, right there. So anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Kia Sorento SXT GDI Turbo with Borla ProXS. You guys can see, you can't hear it. Give it gas. Again. You still don't hear it. It's quiet. Wow. Nice deep tone, but it's not crazy loud, that's what he wanted. He said he wanted it as close to stock as possible. That's why we did the Borla setup. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. 82, bro. It's quiet. Is that perfect? Again?
Sounds good.
It's still got a little bit of deepness to it, but nothing like it was. You like how we tucked them into? Was that good? He wanted them tucked in more, so we tucked them in. Oh, that's clean. Look at that side view, guys. That's really clean. Can hear the turbo. You need a cold air intake next. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. Kia Sorento with Borla ProXS. One second. That sounds clean. It's not loud, just deep. I like it.